Story 11. A dervish whose prayers met with answers made his appearance, and Hajjaj Yusuf, calling him, said, "Utter a good prayer for me." Whereon the dervish exclaimed, "O God, take his life." He replied, "For God's sake, what prayer is this?" The dervish rejoined, "It is a good prayer for thee and for all Muslimin. O tyrant, who oppressest thy subjects, how long wilt thou persevere in this? Of what use is authority to thee? To die is better for thee than to oppress men." And one of the things, if you're going to curse somebody, there's some truth to that threefold law thing. But the one of the things that you can look at with that is you can say, rather than their actual death, the prayer for the end of their persecution of others, their aggression and their oppression, that comes to an end, that they die upon without getting worse in how they regard the rights of God and the rights of creation. The rights of God being, acts of worship and that sort of, and beliefs and that sort of stuff, are that they improve, that they're brought more upon the good and truth, as it's called.